it annoying that I'm not like completely centered? I want you guys to like still be able to see like the fireplace, but is it weird that like I'm over here? Okay, say hi everybody. If you didn't watch yesterday's haul Tuesday morning, go watch it because one, the items are amazing. You don't want to miss the kind of mugs that I found. I've never seen mugs like this in my entire life. And you also have to watch Loki get a car ride. It's so hilarious. But I don't feel like my Dollar Tree hauls have really seen Loki. I don't know, maybe. And he's usually asleep, so that's really kind of why. His face, he just, are you an emo? All right, did some work on the lighting and I hope this is okay. But Dollar Tree haul time, I found some gift boxes I did not expect to see Dollar Tree do. So straight out the gate, we got to get into them because I'm telling you, if you have any sort of need for boxes like these now or in the future, you go get them. Because this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but let me tell you, I'm keeping these. These I have to keep. I think they're so darling, and I think what I'm gonna do with them is, for like my nephew's 2nd birthday, I think these will be like his present boxes. I'll just fill them with little toys. So we've got the school bus. And they have these in multiple sizes. These two are the same exact size. I did want to reach for the larger ones. And then we have the police car. This store gets me every damn time. And then we have what just looks like a construction truck. Like, what is this thing? Is it like a dump truck? Is that what this thing is supposed to be? But I love the colors. And I was kind of hoping there was going to be like a fire truck. Maybe there is. So if there is a 4th option, or maybe even a 5th, 6th, whatever, comment, let us all know what you're finding at your stores. All right, now let's get into the goodies in this bag. I had to do it once again. You're probably sick of this. So I had to just grab them again. I just love the illustrations of these. I just can't help myself. This one is kind of a hard one to come by, the Adventure Tales. This one I love because you get Peter Pan, Wizard of Oz, you get Alice in Wonderland. So yeah, whenever I see this one, I do like to scoop these up. They are just outstanding for journaling with. Once you really kind of get into the art of junk journaling, it's so fun just, you know, trying to find material in Dollar Tree. This one has a more princess vibe, so you're gonna get like the twist on Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, as you can see there. So, but obviously with very unique illustration. I love that. So there's that one. And then this one's Classic Tales. So there's just a lot of like stories in here. I think like Rapunzel's in this one. And just a bunch of stories I'm not used to, or like I've never really kind of heard. Okay, then I picked up this Reynolds Kitchen cooking baking sheet. Actually, I picked this up for several reasons. I'm going to use this for my junk journaling as well. I think these little baking sheets are cute to like create different textures and, you know, little slots and pages in a junk journal. But I actually also wanted to get it for like the intended purpose of just using it instead of like foil. I just kind of wanted to try these out because that's what I do. I just grab foil, honestly, and I spray it down and I bake my cookies on that. But I wanted to just try these. And what's cool about them is they are already pre-cut. So these Jot glue sticks, and let me tell you, this is the second time that I've picked them up because they look new to me. Like the packaging from Jot is all new, but what I feel like has been improved is actually the quality of the glue stick itself. I've tried the Dollar Tree glue sticks before, like years ago, and I just was never a fan of them. And then I saw this new packaging and I said, okay, let's try them out. And I actually tried it out on camera on YouTube during a live where I was junk journaling, and I was shook. These are amazing. They are, in my opinion, they rival just like your good top brand Elmer's glue stick. These are not new. I feel like, let me just grab the other ones in this bag. I definitely own these already. Mine are upstairs. I still have not brought down my Christmas stuff yet. And I mean, just look how cute. They did these for Halloween. They did these for like the Day of the Dead. So we get the darling little snowman. Like, they are just beautiful little tabletop pieces. But let me tell you, a tier tray. These are gonna be stunning in a tier tray. Like, I love the little penguin. He's holding a candy cane. That's absolutely adorable. And then we have Santa. This was just on my shopping list, and I always pick it up from Dollar Tree. It's just one of those items where I really don't buy it from anywhere else. It's just painter's tape, but this is what helps me hang everything on my walls. Brand new little jar, and this blew me away. I hope you can kind of see it, but there is an iridescent quality to this. It's not just a clear glass. It is so pretty, and with this like bronzy copper top, it's gorgeous. I just feel like, I mean, even just like putting a little gift in here, something like, you know, spa cotton balls, some eye masks, nail polish kind of thing, nail files, like this would be such a beautiful jar. Dollar Tree has not done a jar quite like this one. I also picked up some face masks. I always like to look out for whatever's new in this department, and these just look like new stuff to me. So this one's just cucumber. I mean, we see that all the time, right? I mean, because it's like it's a mask. So this one is pore refining, the blue packaging, and you get one facial treatment in the package. And I like how metallic it looks. Like, I love the silver. It just, I don't know why, but I think of the Jetsons when I see this. Like Judy doing a face mask. It's really random. Okay, so there's that. Also, I know fall is almost out of Dollar Tree, but here's another fall item. You can tell by the Crafter Square label, and they are the little apple color your own ornaments. Why do I feel like I've not hauled these apples before? And if I have, it's time to get a brain scan. There's that. I picked up more of these Jot paper clips. This packaging is relatively new, and I like it. So there's that. I also found this, which is also new. This is a soap saver. I've been kind of steering back to soap, like just a bar of soap for washing. I've talked about it. I hauled like the Dial soap, the Gold Bar one, and I've actually really liked it. I feel like I can kind of tell a difference in my skin, especially. Like, I'll even use it as my face wash. Very exciting. Put this on your shopping list, because I found Crafter Square decor beads, and they gave it to us in the perfect set of colors, in my humble opinion. Black, this beautiful chestnut color, a cream, and then a bright white. This is a game changer, especially for those of you that just love Dollar Tree DIYs. I know you're probably going to love these a lot. They're great. You can create little tassels, and then you could also add them into garlands. If you're creating your own garland, these would be great. And just, you know, all kinds of little things for styling, like your home decor and your tier tray and things like that. And also great for junk journaling too. I'm pretty positive I'm gonna be putting these in my craft room, and I'm gonna reach for them from more of a journaling perspective. They are iridescent, and I'm just like, what? Brand new, and I love the pink and the blue moment, so could also double for like a baby shower kind of thing. You don't obviously get very many in here, but yeah, So super cute. I am going to use mine, of course, for junk journaling. And actually, if you guys watched, I'm just now realizing this, if you watched my Tuesday morning haul from yesterday, I'll link it down below. Go watch it. Super cute video. But I hauled these napkins, and the napkins just changed the game in my mind on how I want to do my Christmas junk journal. And I think these would actually be perfect for my Christmas junk journal. So I'm gonna probably grab for those. And then I picked up more of these little flashcards. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up, show you guys. They're just great, again, to journal with, but they're also good if you're like stay-at-home mom, you're homeschooling. I know homeschooling's probably gone up by a lot. And also great for teachers. Like, they are so, look how cute these are. And if you are more interested in using them from a journaling perspective, I showed in a past live that you can just kind of like, just use the border and then you can cover up the center. Like, look how cute. You can even cut out things. Like, you can cut out that heart and use the heart, you know, just like whatever it is that you want to do. Like this. And then here's what the other side looks like. So there's that set. Colors and shapes. Yeah, this one was really cute. I'm excited for that one. And then this one I actually opened up in the store because I just had to see it right away. But so it's got the little kids, super cute. You could leave it as is for journaling, or again, you could just kind of use it for the card material itself and cover it up with your own papers, and yeah, so super cute. Some more of the large classroom foil decors. I just saw this little race car, and I'm not sure honestly that I'm gonna use the race car, but I love these decors, so I wanted you guys to see this new one that I found, which is so funny. Kind of reminds me of Micah loves, which I think she talked about in a book review. If you guys like watch Micah's channel, My Daughters, she talked about how she's really into like Formula One racing books, and this just kind of reminds me of that. I feel like I should probably like go give her one of these little cars. She'll probably look at me like I'm batshit crazy, you know what I'm saying? And then the last things are these little pocket planners. And I usually, anytime that I've ever gotten a pocket planner, I've always just thought of them as the intended purpose. Throw it in your purse, a little pocket planner. But this time when I opened it and I looked at it, I plan on kind of ripping like pages out and then putting them into my junk journal. So that is the haul, a little bit smaller than I normally do. I usually do like gigantic Dollar Tree hauls, but that's going to be it today. Come back tomorrow. Tomorrow, I believe, is going to be a Walmart haul. So there's that. And then Friday, join me if you'd like to do some journaling, and it'll be a live, so you guys can come talk to me, chat, ask me questions, and yeah. So hopefully I'll see you guys there. Bye.